Hey guys, Derek Firehouse Bow Fishing. Got a buck here with me. I want to go over real quick, make this video as short as possible. How to take the head off the deer. I get a lot of guys bring deer in here to me, and you have this much neck meat left on your deer. One, that's wasteful. You could be eating that. Two, this is a lot easier to try and get your nippers out or your saw. And come on in, I'll show you how to do this real fast. Step one, good sharp knife like always. But the deer has a joint that he moves his head in. You want to try to find that, and that's where we're cutting. So I'm just going to come in here right about where his throat is, make a cut all the way to the spine, and we'll do this on both sides. Now that I have the head pulled down, you can obviously see that it's got like a ball joint kind of pivot in there. And I'll show you a little bit better once I get it off to explain it. But you're looking for that area where the spinal column is. I'm going to stick my knife right in there and cut through the spinal column, and then it's just like a ball and socket joint. So I'll come up on one side and get it off. And I always like to start on one side, work my way across because it helps peel it down easier. And now that I'm through that, you can see kind of what I'm talking about right here, like a ball and socket, and that's the spinal column. So basically I came in, I cut that, and I go up and around over here, so I have it halfway off. So I'll just come over and finish cutting the other side off. That's as easy as it is to take the deer head off. Like I said, right there, that ball and socket where his spine is, you're just going to come in, go up around, you just got to cut that spinal cord. There's no reason to leave all that neck meat on there. There's no reason to fight with a saw. All it is a little fillet knife, and you have that deer head off in like 30 seconds. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you out. And then if you need me to do a deer head for you, give us a call. If you'd like to try it yourself, I got plenty of videos on YouTube. You're more than welcome to ask me questions, and I'll help you out. Have a good day.